Our planet faces many challenges. Pollution is one of the most urgent. We search for solutions in the most unexpected places. Sometimes the answer lies in something as simple as human hair. It may seem unlikely, but this everyday material has the power to clean our waterways. Hair acts like a natural sponge, soaking up pollutants like oil. This makes it a surprising but effective tool in the fight against pollution. Hair booms are becoming increasingly popular. They are made from donated hair placed in porous nets. These booms are placed in waterways to absorb oil spills. This simple yet innovative solution is a testament to human ingenuity. It shows our commitment to protecting the planet. The use of hair for environmental cleanup is more than just a quirky idea. It's a practical and sustainable solution that is gaining momentum worldwide. It's a powerful example of how we can use everyday resources to make a positive impact. Human hair possesses an incredible ability to absorb oil. This is due to the structure of the hair shaft, which is covered in tiny scales. These scales create a large surface area that can trap oil droplets. Hair can absorb up to 7 times its weight in oil, making it an incredibly efficient natural absorbent. This natural absorption capacity makes hair an ideal material for cleaning up oil spills. Traditional methods often involve synthetic materials, which can be expensive and harmful to the environment. Hair, on the other hand, is a readily available and biodegradable resource. This makes it a cost-effective and environmentally friendly alternative. The use of hair mats and booms offers a sustainable solution. It reduces our reliance on synthetic materials. It also helps to mitigate the negative impacts of oil spills on marine life. The benefits of using hair for oil spill cleanup extend beyond its practicality. This method has significant environmental and economic advantages. By using a readily available and biodegradable resource, we reduce the demand for synthetic materials. This in turn reduces pollution and conserves natural resources. Moreover, the use of hair promotes a circular economy. Instead of discarding hair, it is repurposed for a valuable cause. This reduces waste and promotes sustainability. The economic benefits are also significant. Hair is a low-cost material that can be sourced locally. This creates opportunities for local communities to participate in environmental cleanup efforts. It also reduces the dependence on expensive commercial solutions. The use of hair for oil spill cleanup is a win-win situation for the environment and the economy. Compared to traditional oil spill cleanup methods, hair mats offer several advantages. They're highly effective at absorbing oil, even in challenging conditions. They come in various styles, types, and sizes, making them versatile for different cleanup needs. They are also easy to deploy and can be used in both freshwater and saltwater environments. Hair mats are reusable. After absorbing oil, they can be cleaned and reused multiple times. This further enhances their cost-effectiveness and sustainability. The versatility of hair mats is another advantage. They can be customized in size and shape to suit different needs. This makes them suitable for a wide range of oil spill scenarios, from small leaks to large-scale disasters. The use of hair mats is a testament to the power of simple, nature-based solutions in addressing complex environmental challenges. The use of hair for environmental cleanup is a global movement. Individuals, communities, and organizations around the world are coming together to support this innovative solution. Hair salons are partnering with environmental groups to collect hair clippings. Volunteers are donating their time to make hair mats and booms. This collective effort is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and compassion. It shows that even small actions like donating hair can have a significant impact. The success stories are inspiring. In many communities, hair mats have played a crucial role in cleaning up oil spills and protecting delicate ecosystems. These successes serve as a beacon of hope and a call to action for others to join the movement. Looking ahead, the potential for using hair in environmental cleanup is vast. Researchers are exploring new ways to enhance the oil absorption capacity of hair. They are also investigating its potential for removing other pollutants such as heavy metals and pesticides from waterways. The use of hair in bioremediation, the use of biological organisms to clean up pollution, is a promising area of research. Hair can provide a natural and sustainable substrate for microorganisms that break down pollutants. The future of environmental cleanup is bright, and hair is at the forefront of this innovation. By embracing such sustainable solutions, we can create a cleaner and healthier planet for all. Let's all do our part by spreading awareness, supporting research, and donating our hair to this worthy cause. Together we can make a difference, one strand at a time. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you, and wishing you a beautiful day surrounded by white lights and love.